What are we doing, honey?
We are out trying to outwait the storm. Trying to decide whether we're going to go in and eat lunch in the restaurant at Swiftcurrent or make our own lunch, which we could do either one.
What have we been doing all day?
Trying to recuperate from the butt kicker hike we did yesterday.
And then what do we got on the agenda for this afternoon?
Sounds like we're going to go on a boat ride if the storm lets up.
Where are we spending the night tonight?
Not sure yet.
St. Mary Campground.
Oh yeah, St. Mary.
Like I said, if people want to go up to the bow, you are free to do so. Is this anybody's first time to Benny Glacier? Awesome, welcome to the, I'm a little biased, but it's obviously the best part of our park here in Glacier. Is anybody staying at the Benny Glacier Hotel? I've never stayed there either, but what a beautiful piece of architecture we have behind us. So, you might notice that it does have a European look to it, kind of up in the Alps of Switzerland, and that was on purpose because when this hotel was constructed, the president of the Great Northern Railway, Louis Hill, wanted this to emulate the Swiss Alps, and he marketed this region as the American Alps. And the railway was expanding west, and they wanted Americans to head on over instead of going overseas and spending their tourist money in Europe.
What are you making us?
I am making pie iron pizza.
That looks interesting.
Yeah, we'll see how it works. A little gun shy here.
What did you make for us tonight?
I made pie iron pizza. Had an epic fail, but you made something.
Peach, tomato, basil, something. I don't know.
Whatever it was in the recipe book.
Yeah.
Good.